Yes, so student of class 10th, today we will see the next question from the exercise 6.3. Next question from the exercise 6.3 is the question number 3rd, exercise 6.3. Question number 3rd is the questions from the chapter triangle is not difficult, but you have to see and you have to practice of theorem carefully. Now see the question number 3rd. Diagonal AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD. Diagonal AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD. This is your trapezium. Where AB is parallel to CD, intersect each other at the point O. Diagonal AC and BD intersect each other at the point O. Using a similarity criterion for two triangles, so that you have to prove OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. Given AB is parallel to CD. So let's see the proof of this question. In triangle AOD and BOC, in triangle AOD and triangle BOC, means this triangle and this triangle, angle CAD is equal to angle BCA or ACB. Alternate interior angle as alternate interior angle as AB parallel to CD. Means this angle is equal to this angle. Similarly, this angle is equal to this angle. And the condition for both equal angles will be alternate interior angle as AB parallel to CD. The second is angle BCD or angle ADB. Angle ADB is equal to angle DBC. Again, from the property alternate interior angle as AB parallel to CD. And the third one is angle AOD is equal to angle COB. Angle AOB is equal to angle COB, vertically opposite angle. So by angle criteria, this is your first angle, this is your second angle, and this is your third angle. So by angle criteria, triangle triangle AOD is similar to triangle BOC. So OA upon OB is equal to OD upon OB upon OD. OA upon OB is equal to OB upon OD, sorry, OC upon OD, OA upon OB is equal to OC upon OD, और हम OC को इस साइड ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं, OB को इस साइड, दिस विल बी इक्वल टू OA अपॉन OC इज इक्वल टू OB अपॉन OD. The next question is question number 4. The question number 4 is in figure 6.36. This is your figure for question number 4. This is angle 1 and this is angle 2. P, Q, R, S, T. In figure 6.36, QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR. Given QR upon QS, QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR, and angle 1 is equal to angle 2, so that triangle PQS, to prove triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Means this triangle is equal to this triangle will be similar to triangle TQR. Let's see the proof of this question. Since angle 1 is equal to angle 2, if two angles are equal, then opposite sides of the corresponding angles will also be equal. The opposite side of angle 1 is PR, means PR is equal to, and the opposite side of the angle 2 is equal to PQ. PR is equal to PQ, and this is given, and QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR. This is also given, or QR upon QS is equal to QT upon, and the value of PR, we can replace the value of PR into PQ. This is number first and this is number second. Now इन ट्राइंगल, अब जो ट्राइंगल हमें प्रूफ करना है उस ट्राइंगल को लेते हैं, ट्राइंगल PQS एंड ट्राइंगल TQR, मीन्स ट्राइंगल PQS एंड TQR. QR अपॉन QS इज इक्वल टू QT अपॉन PQ. ये हमारा किससे आया है? फ्रॉम सेकेंड. अब यहाँ देख लें, QR अपॉन QS इज इक्वल टू QT अपॉन QP और PQ, एंड दिस एंगल Q इज कॉमन फॉर द बोथ ट्राइंगल PQS एंड TQR. मीन्स एंगल PQS is equal to angle TQR, and this is common. So this is your first side, this is your second side, and this is one angle. So by side angle side criteria, triangle, I can write here, triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Now see the Question number 5. The question number 5 is S and T are points of sides PR and QR. This is your side of triangle PR and RQ. This is PR and this is RQ. And S and T are the points on the sides PR. S means S is the point on the sides PR and T is the point on the side QR. Join this line such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Angle P means this angle is equal to RTS this angle. So that to prove triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS, we have to prove that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. So let's see the proof of this question. Since angle P means angle RPQ. Angle RPQ is equal to angle RTS. This is given in your question. Number 2, R is common for the both triangle. R is common, angle R is, this angle is common for the both triangle, angle RPQ and angle RTS. Angle PRQ is equal to angle TRS. This is the common. So by angle criteria, triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Now see the question number 6. The sixth number is in figure 6.37. This is your figure for the question 6. ABC, A, B, C, and this is D and E. If triangle ABE, given that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, so that to prove triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC, means this triangle is similar to this triangle. Now see the proof of this question. Since triangle ABE and triangle ADC is the congruent triangle, so AB is equal to AC by CPCT. See the proof here. AB is equal to AC by CPCT, common part of congruent triangle, and AD is equal to AE. This is number first. AD is equal to AE, also by CPCT. This is number second. Divide second from first. This will be equal to AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AE. AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AE. And this angle, triangle ABE and ACD is the congruent triangle. So angle A is common for the both triangle, or angle A is common for the triangle ADE and angle ABC, and angle DAE is equal to angle BAC. This angle is common. So by side angle, so side angle criteria, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Now see the question number 7. The question number 7 is in figure 6.38. This is the figure of question number 7. This is a perpendicular line meet at E on the line AB. This is line ABC, and this is a perpendicular line. This is also a perpendicular line, and this is also a perpendicular line meet at D on the line BC. You have to prove number first, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Number second, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Number third, triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. And number four, triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. AEP, CDP, ABD, CBE, AEP, ADB, PDC and BEC. Now see one by one. First, understand the figure of this question. The figure, in this figure, ABC is a triangle and CE is perpendicular to AB and AD is perpendicular to BC. In a triangle ABC, CE is perpendicular to AB and AD is perpendicular to BC. Now see the number first. Number first, you have to prove that triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. जो भी ट्राइंगल लिया उसी ट्राइंगल को हम लेते हैं. इन ट्राइंगल AEP and triangle CDP. Where is the point P? This is the point P. AEP and CDP means this triangle is similar to this triangle. You have to prove that this triangle is similar to this triangle. Now, the first one is angle AEP. Angle AEP is equal to angle CDP. each 90 degree, means AEP this angle is equal to CDP this angle is 90 degree. Next, angle APE is equal to angle CPD, vertically opposite angle, means APE this angle and this angle is equal to angle CPD this angle, vertically opposite angle. So by angle criteria, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. See the second, take the both triangle in a triangle ABD and triangle CBE. ABD and CBE means this triangle, you have to prove that this triangle ABD is similar to CBE, this triangle. Means in the question number second, you have to prove this triangle is similar to this triangle. You can see that in triangle ABD this angle is 90 degree and triangle CEB of its CBE angle is 90 degree. Angle ADB is equal to angle CEB, each 90 degree. Number second, you can see that in the both triangle ABD and CEB, angle B is common for the both triangle. So angle ABD is equal to angle CBE. This is the common triangle. So by angle criteria, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Now see this number third, in a triangle AEP and triangle ADB. Now here you have to prove that triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. So take the both triangles AEP is similar to ADB. AEP is similar to ADB. Now in the both triangle, you can see that in triangle AEP angle is 90 degree and the triangle ADB angle D is 90 degree. Angle AEP is equal to angle ADB, each 90 degree. And triangle AEP and triangle ADB, angle A is common for the both triangle. So angle PAE is equal to angle PAE is equal to angle DAB. Angle DAB. This is the common angle for the both triangle. So by angle criteria, triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. Now see the number 4. In triangle PDC and triangle BEC. PDC and triangle BEC means this triangle and this triangle. You can see that angle PDC angle is 90 degree and angle BEC angle is 90 degree. Angle CDP is equal to angle BEC, each 90 degree. And you can see that angle PDC and angle CBE, angle C is common for the both triangle. Angle PCD is equal to angle BCE. This is the common angle for the both triangles. So by angle criteria, triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. Now see the next question, question number 8. The question number 8 is question number 8 is E is the point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. First you have to draw a parallelogram ABCD. This is your parallelogram A, B, C, D. E is the point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram. AD को यहाँ प्रोड्यूस करेंगे, ये किस पॉइंट तक जाएगा, पॉइंट E तक. एंड BE इंटरसेक्ट CD at F, means BE, this line BE intersect CD at F. So that to prove triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. ABE means this triangle is similar to CFB means this triangle is similar to this triangle. Now see the proof of this question. In triangle ABE and triangle CFB, angle EAB is equal to angle BCF, as AB is parallel to CD, as AB is parallel to CD. And the number second, angle AEB is equal to angle CBF, again as AB parallel to CD. So by angle criteria, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Now see the question number 9. In figure 6.39, this is your figure for the question 9. This is the perpendicular line and this is the perpendicular line A, C, P, B, M. This is perpendicular and this is perpendicular. To prove, number first is triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP, and number 2, CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP. Madhya Pradesh. So let's see the proof of this question. In a triangle ABC and triangle AMP, ABC and AMP means this triangle and this triangle. You can see that in both triangle, angle B is equal to angle M, each 90 degree. Means angle ABC is equal to angle AMP, each 90 degree. And you can also see that angle A is common for the both triangle, means angle CAB is equal to angle means CAB for the triangle ABC is equal to angle MAP for the triangle AMP. MAP. This is the common angle. So by angle criteria, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. This is number first. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP, so you can find the proportionality of the sides, that is CA upon PA, means this AC is the side of ABC and AP is the side of triangle AMP, means CA for the second. Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP, both the triangle are similar. Now you have to identify, you have to find the proportionality of the sides. You can write like this: since triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP, so AC upon AP, AC upon CA upon PA, CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP, BC upon MP. Now students will solve the other questions, the questions from 10 to 16.